Welcome to WorkFusion's Virtual Summit. I'm Tina Rowe, the Senior Director of Product Management at WorkFusion. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to find your hyperautomation use case. WorkFusion's Intelligent Automation Cloud is uniquely positioned for hyperautomation, with 9 critical capabilities that work together to support an end-to-end business workflow, including machine learning and artificial intelligence. Hyperautomation use cases can be browsed using the navigator to find out more. The use case evaluation capability allows customers to quickly and easily test to see if a pre-trained bot and a use case can be automated using their own data. Here, I've uploaded data to test a pre-trained bot for identity verification and extracting information from IDs. I can start the evaluation of my data by checking the digitization quality of the document I've loaded. I can also compare the text against the original document, test different document intelligence settings, and try to find the best results. Once I'm happy with my results, I can continue on to the pre-trained bot. The pre-trained bot developed by WorkFusion has already been trained to extract these data points of information from a typical identity document. Here, I can also add or edit the data points on a specific document when I'm trying to evaluate the pre-trained bot. Once I'm happy with my data elements, I can move on and start reviewing the data I've uploaded. You can see here that the data that I've uploaded is being extracted with the pre-trained bot. I can make a couple corrections and move on to the next document. As I'm evaluating my data through the use case evaluation workflow, I can see that the automation rate and the accuracy for each of the data types is increasing throughout the workflow. Each of the elements is being evaluated separately for this pre-trained bot. For this final document, I can correct the expiration date and then view the summary of the evaluation of my data. Once I've finished the evaluation, I can see the analytics of the use case metrics on my data. I can see the automation rate as a whole and the field statistics for each of the data points. I can publish my results to view and retest this later. Once I've published my results, I can download the asset bundle, which includes the pre-trained bot, additionally trained with my information. And finally, I can download a report that can be shared. WorkFusion's discovery capability allows customers to evaluate use cases on their data. This enables customers to quickly and easily check if a use case is suitable for their needs on their data.